A couple of days ago, I used my gluten-free flour formula to make one of my favorite sweet cornbread recipes. It's by the late Jimmy Banos Sr., the founder of Heaven on 7 Cajun restaurant in Chicago. Jimmy Banos' jalapeno cheddar variation calls for seeded and chopped jalapenos. His recipe doesn't specify whether to use fresh or pickled jalapenos, but I've always used fresh jalapenos until this time. This time I used pickled, homegrown jalapeno slices that I chopped. I also used at least half a cup more shredded sharp cheddar. You could use your favorite 1-to-1 gluten-free flour blend for this recipe, but the results you see here are based on using my gluten-free flour formula and the other changes that I just mentioned earlier. This gluten-free version of Jimmy Banos' Jalapeño Cheddar Cornbread is the perfect accompaniment for my creamy pintos and buttered jasmine rice. You'll find this video and my Creamy Pintos video, along with many others, on the Sunflower Academy of Gluten-Free Fusion YouTube channel. Have a beautiful rest of your day.